We meet again, and this is our sixth meeting, and the topic is about researching the speech. Okay, we have seven learning objectives, but at least I do hope you will be able to do these three learning objective. First, making strategic choice about research in line of your audience and your purpose. I also hope to be able to identify types of material that are available to support the idea in your speech and use tool to locate supporting material for your speech. Researching the speech, the process of finding supporting material for your speech is research. Okay, just as you do research to decide which service plan is best for your cell phone or whether you to buy a car, you look for material that will support the claims you want to make it in your speech. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, why do you want to speak about particular topic? So you need to research the speech. Okay, this is actually the second point that we have already discussed in the face-to-face meeting. First, if we want to choose the topic, first we need to choose something that we like the most, something that possibly become the passion. Number two, something that we have already known about it, or something that we want to know more about it. Okay, by researching the topic, okay, we do hope that uh, our speech will run well. Okay. There have been several strategic perspective on research. Okay, number one, to develop or strengthen your own expertise on the topic, to find the evidence that will support your idea and to make your idea clear, okay, understandable, and pertinent to your audience. It's quite important. Okay, this is types of supporting material. Okay, to do research for your speech, you first have to decide which types of supporting material you need. The following seven types illustrate the array of possibilities. Remember, when you want to research the topic, it doesn't really necessary for you to research for all of material. Okay, you can waste your time, but at least you can consider these seven things. First, your personal experience. You can do research from your personal experience, your common knowledge, direct observation, from the examples, from the document, from the statistic, and from the testimony. Yeah, this is personal experience. Yeah, common knowledge. What is common knowledge? It's the beliefs and value that members of a society or culture generally share. Common knowledge is not always correct, of course. People certainly can believe things that aren't so. But common knowledge has the status of presumption. That is, we consider it to be right until we are shown otherwise, precisely because the knowledge is common and widely shared. It can often be strategically useful as supporting material. Okay, so this is the main point actually. Common knowledge is not always correct. Okay, but common knowledge has the status of presumption. Okay, until we are shown otherwise. Yeah. Direct observation, maybe you can see from your bare eyes. Yeah, that's direct observations. Yeah. Oh, the same. Yeah. The observation, sorry. And from the examples, when you offer an example, you need to make sure that you make general statement more meaningful by illustrating specific instead of it, because this form of supporting material helps you to make an abstract idea more concrete. It's not abstract. You can provide this kind of support for a claim by using a brief example, hypothetical example, an anecdote possibly, or a case study. Oh, maybe you can do a research, okay, before delivering a speech from the document. Yeah, from the statistic, from the data. Testimony is kind of information or an opinion that is expressed by someone other than the speaker. When using testimony, you rely on someone else's judgment, and so you need to assess the person's competence and credibility. You may also need to convince the audience that your source is knowledgeable and trustworthy. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is checklist testing the strength of your supporting material. Okay, number one, your personal experience. Are you sure your memory is reliable? Is your experience generalizable? Will others interpret it the same way? Okay, you may use this card, okay, as a checklist table, whether or not you have already done the good way in supporting material on your research. Number two, common knowledge. Are you sure the audience shares it? Are you sure it is correct? And in terms of direct observation, are you sure of what you saw? Do you have any bias? Yeah. Number four, are they representative? Are there enough of them? Okay, in the form of document, can they be trusted? The document can they be trusted? Are they properly interpreted? Is the context made clear? And in terms of statistic, you need to make sure are appropriate measure used. Are they reliable and valid? Have they been interpreted properly? And in the testimony, does the person have access to the data? Is the person an expert on the subject? Is the person reasonably objective? Okay, this is card swell. Choose a strategy using research to support your speech. Yeah, this is the situation. It will be the assignment. Okay, there's a size. I mean, and you may post it on discussion forum and have it discussed with your classmate. Okay, the situation. Please read the situation and the making choice, and please answer the question. Yeah, what if number one or to number three? Okay. Mm. Yeah, I think that's all, everyone, for today. I think our topic is quite important, and yeah, I think it's not enough. This 7 up to 8 minutes to cover up all of this important topic. So I do hope you will give me questions, and we'll discuss further on discussion forum. Okay, see you everyone. Stay motivated. Ciao.